Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new 2019 Segura Dorian Jacket. So let's get into the Segura Dorian Jacket. First of all, as you can see, it's a beautiful 70s retro jacket with a few modern touches. Of course, being a Segura jacket, it is beautiful quality. You've got real leather throughout the product, beautiful finishes like these YKK zips coming across, and if I just open up one of those zips, you can see inside you've got a leather patch. They're metal zips, so if they get hot, if you're sliding down the road, you're not going to get burnt inside, so that's a nice touch Segura always do with their products. YKK zipper down the front, as you'd expect. Nice key fob comes with the jacket. As you can see around the top, this is slightly more modern. You've got the hood that is detachable from the jacket, so if you don't want to wear the hood, you can just unzip that, take it off. You've got these tags come down the front, which are just a little bit more modern than you expect from a 70s jacket. It just gives that sort of neo-retro spirit to the product. Just getting back to the outer, you've got this beautiful leather down the front, two pockets here, two pockets on the chest, so plenty of storage space. If I just spin it round to the side, you can see it's pleating all the way down the side. Very retro, 70s inspired. You don't see a lot of that, it's quite expensive to do, but this price point jacket you're going to get those premium quality materials. Lifting up the arm, again you can see the CE logo. As I said, it's CE tested for abrasion, burst resistance, all the things you expect from a quality French product. And running around you've got poppers to adjust the side of the jacket there. Just spin it around a bit more, you can see it a bit better. Coming back around to the back, you can see one piece of leather. The strongest way to make the back of a jacket is to have a single piece of leather, no weak points, no stitching. So you're getting lovely premium quality cowhide. Hood on the back, as you can see, just lifts up and zips off. Fairly simple. Spinning it back around to the front, you've got a popper closure at the top. So I'll do that. That's that free swing tag as I mentioned earlier. Running down the front, you've got the smock on the inside. That's going to stop any wind coming through. Even though it's not a waterproof product, you still need a windstop behind the zip for those evenings where it's getting a bit chillier. You're not going to get airflow through that zip, making you cold in your chest area, cooling down the whole rest of your body. To open it up, you've got a lovely grey lining, pocket included. Another pocket here, again YKK zippers, not skimpy on the quality just because it's on the inside of the product. When you take the lining out, sorry, just spin that around, you've got another pocket on the lining there. When you take the lining out, you've still got pockets on the inside. So again, not skimpy on the quality just because it's on the inside of the jacket, it's not seen. Open it back up again. Underneath this thermal lining, you've got a wickable mesh material. So when you start to sweat, get a bit hotter in the summer, you're going to sweat into that, it's going to spread out, allow you to push that moisture out of the jacket, keeping you a bit cooler. As I say, hood is removable, but it is beautifully finished on the inside. If you can get down to your local store and feel it, it's absolutely beautiful, very comfortable product. So that's the Segura Dorian Jacket. If you like this video, please click subscribe below or like the video, and for any more information please see bikerheadz.com.